I haven't shown you guys my dress, but this is it. So this is my makeup. I'm late, but I'm ready.
Leticia Frinet Jiménez Martínez, cum laude.
No, es un video eso. Es un video.
My grandpa got us empanadas. I haven't updated you ever since we got home. I was just resting for a little bit. I got comfy. I took all my fake nails off. Everything is now set and done. I'm graduated. I have my degree. So they just brought in the buffet. Here we have a quiche made out of mushroom and caramelized onion. Then we have some chicken rolls, pastelón de plátano maduro, and then a caprese salad. And lastly, we have this vegetable cheesecake, which looks so good. Here we have this flowers by Rose X Forever. They actually sent this to me. I'll talk a little bit more about this later. These are some amazing preserved flowers, but like I said, we'll talk about it later. I'm gonna use it for decor for the table. My dad just arrived from picking up my cake and cookies. Alright guys, so here we have the main cake. It got a little bit messed up when they were bringing it up. Then we have the other cake, and this one is so pretty. I've been super into the Victorian styled cakes. Obviously we got a stethoscope with a cap, and then we have some macaroons. Going for a gold and pink theme. Those are the colors of the balloons as well. And then lastly we have some cookies, super cute. They say Dr. Leticia and then Dr. Jimenez, which is my last name. Some lab coats. So we have 12 of these, 12 macaroons, and we're going to display them over in that little cake stand. And then here we have some pork and some ribs. Look how good this looks. We're going to get ready for my graduation dinner that we are hosting. I'm gonna talk to you guys through my day because it has been so chaotic. I'm gonna do my makeup. It all started yesterday. I have been planning my makeup for the ceremony since 2 weeks ago. My cousin was gonna do my makeup and I was gonna have my hairstylist come over to my house to do my hair. We were all set. We had already practiced the makeup. Basically, my cousin had a last minute thing that she had forgotten about. It was very important. She ended up having to cancel. The ceremony was today in the morning, so I didn't have time to book an appointment. So what I had to do was get my hairstylist to do my hair and makeup. As you guys are gonna see, I'm not very good at doing my own makeup, especially for special events like this. We're going to have my hairstylist come over. Fast forward to today. I woke up, had my coffee. I was having a very calm morning till first of all one of my nails came off. I had nail extensions that I put in yesterday. I showed you guys a couple of clips of that. My nails started coming off. I glued them back on. I was texting and calling my hairstylist and she wouldn't pick up, had no Wi-Fi, kept going straight to voicemail. Keep in mind the ceremony was at 10 a.m. but I had to be there at 9 a.m. At this point it was already 7 a.m. I was panicking at this point. Thankfully one of my aunts came over with my cousin's makeup. I actually am using her makeup right now because she had some good stuff. I finally got a hold of my hairstylist. It ended up being that she slept in. She got here at 8 a.m. She did my hair while I did my own foundation. She worked pretty fast. Very thankful that she was able to work as fast because she was also helping my mom do her makeup, who is even worse than I am at doing her makeup. makeup, and then my mom had to fix her hair. That was that. I ended up getting to the ceremony around 9:30, very late. It had already crossed me off as if I didn't attend the ceremony. I was really late, but I managed to be there before the act started. After that, it all went smoothly. I was able to take the photos right after. Obviously need to sort out and organize this table. I showed you guys everything earlier, but now we're about to set all the sweets back there. Ignore this, we're still renovating the house. Balloons have arrived. Let's put those on either side first, and then we'll start arranging everything. The main cake, look how pretty. So here is what we're working with. I think I'm gonna put the balloons a little bit lower. Look at what happened to this cake earlier and then this one. But I think it'll still look good in videos and photos. I'm gonna show you guys these beautiful roses that were sent to me by Rose Forever New York. Look at how pretty they are. This pink roses which match perfectly with the decor that I went for today, which was basically pink, white, and gold. Super soft, they smell amazing. They are actually preserved roses which last over a year. I'm gonna be using this as decor for my dresser. Adds a little something more elegant and luxurious and dainty. How pretty it looks with everything else that I have set up. If you guys want to shop Rose Forever, I'm going to be linking them down below. I seriously could not be more obsessed with these. Now we just have to put the cookies and the macaroons to make it cuter. These caramel macaroons, of course, in gold and pink. Let's organize this mess in 3, 2. No, actually, let's do a time lapse. Change into my dress in 3, 2. Here is my dress. I think this is probably one of my favorite dresses that I've ever gotten.
2,000 years later.